Left as far as you can go, and that's at 75. Let's go to the right as far as you can go, and that's barely at 65. Turn your head to the right, up, 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 up. Ooh, perfect. Excellent. Again, let's have you turn your head to the left, up, up, up. Oh, excellent. You want to make sure you got to the right side. Let's go to the right as far as you can go. Look at that, 85 degrees. You're awesome, 26 years old, you're best. Let's go to the left, 85 degrees. You can't get better than this. Good. So now I flex the leg to where I get that SI joint and relax it out here a little bit more.
Oh,
perfect. Let's have you bend this knee.
Okay.
Good. This is going to be for that area that bothers you up here.
Okay, good.
So let's see. Now let go of the waist. Perfect. Let's look over this way to over your shoulder. Yes. And relax your waist a little bit more.
Oh my God.
So stuck on that left. Turn your head to the left for me. Good. Let's look up to the left on the left side. Hold it there.
All right.
Oh yeah. Again.
That's even deeper, yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna go right into this one. Let's look up to the right side a little bit more.
Woo! That was, whoa.
Yeah.
That was double.
Yeah. Good. Let me have you just relax your hand into my hand. Perfect. Relax your shoulder here. Good. Let go of the shoulder. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's getting tight. Let's have you turn your head this way. Let's see. Let's relax your shoulder down. Good. And that's not going anywhere. Let's see.
Okay, go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, big release. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Breath in. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow, that was better than last. That was a great release, man. And just drop it. Can't drop it. Wow.
That was intense.
And then drop it, drop it. Deep breath in. All the way out. Try it. All the way out. Now just do me a favor and just drop the head to the left.
Oh.
Wow. Drop it towards me.
Mm.
And just relax it.
Oh. Oh.
Really good.
Wow.
Wait, all the way. And that's where the significant limitation is. Barely on 65 degrees. Good. Let me have you look up to the left, as far up as you can. Perfect. And again, let me have you look to your right for me. Let's look as far up as you can, all the way. Here we go. How's that? Yeah. Let's see if we're able to get that. Here we go. We're at 75, almost 80. We just gained almost 20 degrees with that one adjustment. As far as you can go. And it's barely at 65, and that's the one that we want to try to improve. And that's the one that we really want. Let's look up to the right, all the way on top in the corner. Perfect. You felt that all the way down the middle? Now we may get still one on this side, but most of it was on the right. Let's relax up here a little bit more. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's have you sit up again. Let's to the right as far as you can go. And look at this, at 85. You're back to your teen years again. Let's go to the... Can you turn your head this way, please? Good. And just relax your head down. Good. A little bit more. Perfect. Is that okay? Yeah. Good. And now relax your head down here. Relax your shoulder. Good. A little bit more. Is that okay? Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Good. And let's relax your head this way. Yeah, a little bit more. Good. Perfect. Excellent. Is that okay?
Yep.
Good. And again, let's tilt your head this way. Perfect. Hold, relax it out. Good. Was that okay?
The other side felt different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. How was that?
It feels good.
Can you up to the left a little bit more? Perfect. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels